Prince Pearl 2020 Urgent Sale Complete Review. Is it worth buying? And please subscribe, like. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very interesting and budget-friendly hatchback for you. If you are looking for a small city car that is economical, easy to drive, and affordable, then today's car might be the perfect option for you. Today we are reviewing the 2020 model Prince Pearl, which is currently available for urgent sale. This car is known in the Pakistani market as one of the most affordable small hatchbacks, competing with cars like the Suzuki Alto and United Bravo in the entry-level category. Let's start with the overall condition of this vehicle. This 2020 model Prince Pearl comes in a beautiful grey colour, which gives the car a clean and modern look. The exterior of the car has some touch-ups, but overall the car still looks neat and presentable. If someone wants an affordable car that still looks decent on the road, this can be a good choice. Moving to the engine and performance, the engine condition of this car is very good. According to the owner, the engine and suspension are 100% in working condition, which is very important when buying a used car. The car drives smoothly, and the suspension handles city roads comfortably. The Prince Pearl is equipped with a 800 cubic centimeters engine, which is designed mainly for city driving. It provides decent power for daily commuting while keeping fuel consumption low. For people who travel daily within the city or need a small family car, this engine size is usually more than enough. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency, which is one of the biggest reasons people choose small hatchbacks. The Prince Pearl generally gives a fuel average of around 14 to 18 kilometers per litre, depending on driving style and road conditions. In cities like Karachi, where traffic can be heavy, having a fuel-efficient car is definitely a big advantage. Coming to the interior, the cabin of the Prince Pearl is simple but practical. The seats are comfortable for small families and daily commuting. The dashboard design is basic but functional, giving you all the necessary controls within easy reach. The car also comes with air conditioning, and the AC is working perfectly, which is a very important feature considering the hot weather conditions in Pakistan. A properly working AC makes driving much more comfortable, especially during long traffic jams. In terms of driving comfort, the compact size of the Prince Pearl makes it very easy to drive and park. If you are someone who drives mostly in crowded city areas or narrow streets, this car will be very convenient for you. Another good thing about this car is its maintenance cost. Since the Prince Pearl is a small 800 cubic centimeters hatchback, the maintenance and spare parts are generally affordable compared to bigger vehicles. This makes it a good option for people who want a low-budget and economical car. Now let's discuss the tax status of this vehicle. The car's tax is paid for 2 years, but the buyer will handle the upcoming tax payments. This is common in many used car deals, and it's something buyers usually consider before finalizing the purchase. Talking about the overall condition, the car is mechanically sound, with a good engine and suspension setup. The exterior has some touch-ups, but it still maintains a decent look for a used vehicle. For someone looking for an affordable hatchback for daily use, this car could definitely be worth considering. Now let's talk about the price. The asking price for this 2020 Prince Pearl is 875,000 Pakistani rupees, which makes it a very attractive option in the budget car market. Considering the model year, working AC, and good engine condition, the price seems reasonable for buyers who want a car under 9 lakh. However, as always, when buying a used car, it's recommended to inspect the vehicle carefully, check documents, and take a test drive before making the final decision. So if you are interested in this Prince Pearl 2020, or if you are searching for a budget-friendly small hatchback, this could be a good opportunity. That's it for today's review. If you like this kind of car sale and review content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming car reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.